Hi everyone, welcome to Joseph IT again, your technology entertainer. Today I'm going to show you how to create, how to make QR code online and how to use it for various purposes. So I'm going to my browser, and on the screen as you can see I'm on the QR code generator, and it's one of the useful sites to create QR code for free. And they will be able to find some categories: free text, URL, contact, phone, SMS, etc. So under those categories you can create the informations you want. Suppose under the free text I'm just typing something. Okay, I'm the owner of Joseph ID and the QR code is this. Here you can customize it by going there. You can make it smaller or bigger, up to you. You can also use no margin. There will be no margin. And then you can also use custom to make it in the size you want. Okay, and when you are done, simply click on save, and under the PNG format simply choose the file name. I'm just going to give it as Joseph IT and save it. Okay, it has been saved to my computer, and this is the one. And now you can ask me how to check it whether it works or not. So for demonstration purpose I have downloaded a QR code scanner. This is, and I'm opening it. I'm clicking on scan QR code file from PC and select image, and the file was Joseph IT as you saw, and I'm just opening it. Yes, and it found that I am the owner of Joseph IT from the image that I wrote you saw, and that's a simple way of doing so. And you can also use URL, contact, etc., whatever you want. Okay, and it's absolutely free. And that was the simple way of making QR code online without any software. If you found this video useful, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience, your suggestions on the comment box, and subscribe to the channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.